How to post long videos beyond 30 seconds on your WhatsApp status on your iPhone. You can easily post. To do so, go to WhatsApp status, and here you can type or attach any videos or photos. So how can post a video longer than 30 seconds on your iPhone WhatsApp? First, you go to App Store and go to apps and look for, tap on search and look for Tix Easy Video Splitter. Select it and Tix Easy Video Splitter. Simply download it and install on your iPhone first. Once successfully downloaded, tap on open. This it is an advertisement. Close it and choose a split video. Tix would like to access your photo library. Allow full access or limit access. Allow full access and choose any video beyond 30 seconds, which this app will split. Simply enable and click on split. Do you know, proceed or watch ad? You can choose anyone. You can avoid watermark on the video by watching a short video. Tap on proceed. Please select different video duration is lesser than a split duration, so it is a smaller video. You can choose longer video, so choose another video and tap on it and choose split. Tap on proceed and setting up. It will take few seconds to split video in various parts, and you can add one by one to your WhatsApp status. Cross it and finally successfully it will create three different type videos. After a split, go to WhatsApp and share through WhatsApp and tap on my status and finally click on OK and send it.